Chapter number 2, class 5th, 4 basic operations, properties of addition. Here first we will look about order property. Two numbers can be added in any order. This is order property. Now I am taking one example, 6,25,431 plus 1,08,754. What is your answer? 7,34,185. Now I am changing the order, and when changing the order the answer will be same. This is order property. Now look, grouping property. More than two numbers can be grouped in different ways and added. Now grouping property, let us take one example of grouping property. More than two numbers. 34,562 plus 25,648 plus 12,475. First solve bracket digit. 60,210 you will get. Now plus by third digit you will get 72,685. Now change order. Second and digit, solve the second digit for third plus. Now plus added by first digit, you will get 72. Same answer, right? So A plus B equal to C and order will be changed. Grouping property, on changing grouping of numbers to be added, the sum remain the same. Now third property, zero property. 0 added to number or a number added to 0 does not change the number. Look at one example, 69,87,654. When added by 0, you will get the number itself. This is called zero property. Now class 5th, you will look
Okay, here
third
are the
property
three
of
properties
addition.
of addition.